Here's how to track PayPal payments with Unbounce. To make this work, you'll need to complete 3 main steps. You need to add your external conversion tracking script to your Unbounce thank you page, then create your PayPal payment button, and lastly, link the PayPal button to your Unbounce landing page. Let's go through each step. In your Unbounce dashboard, open your landing page in the Classic Builder. Go to the Form Confirmation dialog. This is where your thank you page lives. Click JavaScripts at the bottom of the builder and add a new script. Paste your external conversion tracking code. This script will track your PayPal payments. You can pause the video and copy it. Give your script a clear name, for example, PayPal conversion tracking, so you can easily identify it later. Click Done, then save your page. Log into your PayPal business account. This won't work with a personal PayPal account. On the left-hand side, click Create, then select Payment Link or Button. Choose Payment Button as the type. Next, set up your product details. Add a product name and description. Choose your price type, either a fixed price or a customer set price. Enter your price and select the correct currency. Enable quantity so customers can buy more than one item and set a maximum quantity. You can also upload an image and customize the button label. Once you're done, click Show More Options to reveal additional settings. Then go to Checkout section, enable Collect Shipping Address if you need it. Also add a shipping fee and tax if applicable. Under Confirmation, make sure Auto Return URL is enabled. This lets PayPal send customers back to your site after checkout. Now, go back to your Unbounce builder and copy your thank you page URL found under the confirmation dialog. Paste that URL into the Auto Return URL field in PayPal. Once everything's set up, click Build It. After building your PayPal button, you'll see options for either a stacked or single button layout. Choose your preferred style and copy the HTML embed code provided by PayPal. Now go back to your Unbounce Classic Builder. In the left-hand panel, find the custom HTML widget. Drag and drop it where you want your PayPal button to appear on your landing page. Paste your PayPal embed code into the HTML editor. Click Save Code, then save and republish your page. Open your published landing page. You should now see your PayPal payment button. Click the button. You'll be redirected to the PayPal checkout page. After completing the payment, PayPal will automatically send the customer back to your Unbounce thank you page, where your JavaScript tracking code will record the conversion. And that's how to track PayPal payments with Unbounce.